Hi guys, my name is Corey Onderdonk. My how to speech is about how to play Zombie by the Cranberries on the guitar. First of all, you need to have it in standard tuning. You're going to have to need a tuner for this unless you already know how to play guitar. First of all, your top string, or your sixth string, which happens to be the thickest, needs to be E. The next one, fifth string, needs to be A. Fourth needs to be G. D, B, and A. Never mind, that needs to be E. And secondly, I'm going to have to show you chords. Alright, for this entire song, you're going to need to have your pinky and your ring finger on the 3rd fret. What a fret is, every time you encounter a metal band, that's going to be a fret. Now, as you go down, the number of the fret increases. For example, this is going to be 1. This is going to be 2, 3, 4, and so on. So, ring finger and pinky, last 2 strings on the 3rd fret. You can also count frets by the dots. So 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th, and it skips all the way down to 12, pattern stop, and then 15, and then 17, 19, and then this guitar only has 20 frets, but some go on to 22, and some crazy ones probably go on to 24 and then 25. But those cost over $2,000. Anyways, so you're going to keep these 2 fingers there. Next, you're going to have your fingers on the 5th and 4th strings on the 2nd fret. That is going to make an alternate E. That is the name of the chord. Now next, for every chord you change, you're going to have to play the top 2 strings 4 times. So what that's going to sound like is, and then we're going to change. When we change chords, this is called a G. No. Yes, this is called a G. Now, your middle finger is going to be on the 5th string of the 3rd fret, and your index finger is going to be on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. You see that? So, I changed. And then basically what I'm going to do is move up both my fingers up 1. You see how I did that? That is going to be a normal G. And then lastly, I'm going to move this finger over 1 more time and then take off this since there's no other string to put it on. And I'm going to play the top 2 strings repetitively. Now all together, this is going to sound like this. Thank you guys, now you know how to play Cranberries. And remember, you need to have it in standard tuning, E, A, D, G, B, and E. Now if you do that and follow these rules, you'll be pretty good. Now, lastly, if you want, which is an optional thing, you can have a pick. Preferably I like to use what's called the bear claw, and that's where I just do this. And it gives nails on both sides to strum up and down. So, I'm going to play it again. Thank you. Now, generally, you're just going to have to play this over and over and over again. The strumming pattern changes, but the chords stay the same. Hope you've learned a lot. Thank you for enjoying the video, and I'll see you next time.